Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first things first, go into Desk Settings, then Display, and Adaptive Brightness disable and enable once again. I need to disable it because you won't see anything because of the bright screen. Next thing is to clean ambient light sensor. It is near the front camera, so just clean this place right here. Okay. You can restart your phone. Click Restart. Remember that you can check if it's working by just turning the brightness all the way up, disabling the auto brightness, then turning off all the light and clicking adaptive brightness. And now, as you can see, it lowered the brightness. So, last thing you can do is update your phone. Type in update, system update. Check for updates. Now, your device software is currently up to date, but if yours isn't, then just update it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.